after a large weather event, we open up the spill gates there at the Ross River Dam to allow water to actually escape from the dam. But barramundi are escaping from the dam as well, and they're actually starting to congregate in that section at the bottom of the spillway. This place is a place that's off limits to fishing, so what we've been doing is electrofishing to remove those barramundi from the bottom of the spillway and putting them downstream in a location which is safe for fishers to go and catch and capture. These guys are doing a great job. They're out there with the right equipment, and dozens of fish are being caught and transported down safely downstream so people like you and I can go and catch them.